Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This time we will be answer the two questions, which is the first, what is quantitative methods? Quantitative method is a research approach that emphasizes using numerical measurements and statistical analysis to understand phenomena. This method involves collecting data that can be quantified and subjecting it to various statistical techniques to test hypotheses, explore relationships between variables. It is widely used in science, economics, psychology, and social science, where researchers aim to produce objective results that can be generalized across populations. This process typically involves designing experiments or surveys gathering measurable data and analyzing this data using mathematical models to draw conclusions or make predictions. Quantitative methods are valued volumes of data, making them crucial for making informed decisions and validating theories. Quantitative methods A article provides a comprehensive overview discussing their fundamental principles, diverse applications, and the latest advancement in the field. Whether you're students stepping into data analysis, a professional seeking to develop your analytical skills, or a curious mind interested in understanding how numbers can reveal patterns and predict outcomes, this guide will be served as your fundamental resource.